I'm Maddie with Maddie Sews, and thanks for hanging with me, you all. So today is Vlogmas Day 10, and it's also a Friday Sews, created by Jen over at Today in Jen's Sewing Room. Today I thought I'd do something a little different. Instead of sharing with you what I've been working on and what I have coming up, what I thought I'd do is actually share with you, well, a fabric haul. I want to tell you all about the different fabrics that I've picked up for my holiday projects. So I guess let's just get right on into it. Every single one of the fabrics that you're about to see have a plan for them, and you'll be able to catch any details about these in the description box below. So first up, let's talk about what I've actually picked up from fabric.com. So I have picked up a whole bunch of felt from them, and this is their classic felt that's 72 inches wide. It's a synthetic fabric. So, I mean, there's nothing really amazing about this fabric other than that it's felt. I did get 6 yards of it in this red, and then I also picked up a yard of it in white. I'm going to be using this felt to make Santa hats for my chairs, my dining room chairs. I have 4 round ones, and then I have 2 rectangular chairs, well, chair backs. So I'll be making 2 different variations of the Santa hats, but this is what I got for that. Both of these felts were $8.44 a yard. I also picked up this really beautiful fabric right here. I thought that this would make great placemats for the table, especially with those Santa hats. And you can see there's actually a really cute little town on there. This fabric is called the Andover Mieka Metallic Scandi Holiday Village. And I did buy 4 yards of this at about $11 a yard. There is a little metallic sheen to that gold right in there. You can kind of see it glistening just a bit there. I just really loved this fabric. And so I did pick up a good amount of it. I think I'm just going to make my placemats double-sided with this fabric, so that way if one side gets a little stained, I can just kind of flip it over and make do until it's time to wash everything again. I'm really hoping that I'll be able to knock out both my placemats and the Santa hats for the dining room table this weekend. So wish me luck, you all. I also picked up fabric from Amazon. Now, if you're not aware, fabric.com is an affiliate with Amazon, and so you can purchase their stock through Amazon using your Prime membership for the free shipping and all of that stuff. And what I found is that it actually really does ship a whole lot quicker when you order the fabric through Amazon, as opposed to ordering it through fabric.com. With that being said, I did get this from Amazon, and these are nylon ripstop fabrics. My husband asked me to make him a case for a retro game that he ordered that's going to be coming in at some point in December. So I picked up this red ripstop, and you can see it has those cross hatches in it that really kind of make the fabric strong. I picked it up in this red, and then I also picked it up in gold. Now this gold is a little disappointing. I don't know, are you guys like me? I kind of feel like every time I order fabric that is described as being gold, I'm always a little disappointed. To me, this fabric, well, it's interesting. Right now that the light is hitting it, yeah, it looks really gold to me. But when it's all folded up and the light's not hitting it, it looks more maize. So I guess I have to take my disappointment with the color back a little bit here because yeah, I can see the gold in this one. But typically, I feel like things are a little more golden, yellowish, and not quite the gold that I'm expecting. But maybe that's just because I'm expecting something that glitters. What about you? Are there colors that you tend to order and when you get them in, you're like, not quite what I expected? Just me? I also got this off of Amazon. Now, because I've been working from my dining room chair since we've been working from home, both my husband and I, our dining room chairs are super duper flat and uncomfortable. So I picked up some of this foam touch, which is a high density foam, to reupholster my chairs. And actually, let me just open this up really quick. Oh yeah, I really do think this stuff is going to be nice to use. It is, well, really wrapped. Oh, there it goes. So this is it. And it's actually really spongy. I think this is going to be nice on the chairs. This is 24 inches wide, and it's 72 inches long. I've got 4 chairs total to do, so I guess I think I'll be able to get it all out of this. At least I'm hoping that I am, because I really don't want to have to buy another box for just one chair. So, so we're gonna make this. We're gonna make it happen with this 72 inches worth of foam. Now for the more exciting fabrics. When I saw that Three Little Birds was having a Cyber Monday or Black Friday sale, I definitely took advantage of that. Now I picked up this unbleached fabric right. I picked up this unbleached fabric right here, just because I thought it would make some really great popcorn bags, and I plan on using the tutorial by Christine Sews a Lot to make these. I just got 1 yard. I'm thinking that's probably going to be enough for, I don't know, maybe 3-4 popcorn bags. We'll see. I'm just going to make however many this fabric will give me, and then those will be some really good gifts, I think, for people. This fabric is called Waku Waku Christmas, and it was designed by Neocom for cotton and steel. I got my 1 yard for $12. I also got this really beautiful pheasant rayon. Oh my gosh, can you see that? And the drape on that? It's really beautiful. This is the pheasant rayon in black, and this is a Ruby Star Society fabric. I can see right here that it was designed by Sarah Watts. I just really thought that this was gorgeous. I'm not sure what I'm going to make out of it. It is a directional print. I don't know. I was thinking a beautiful blouse or possibly bag linings. I believe that I picked up the last 1.5 yards of this fabric, and I got the entire piece for $20. And then look at this fabric. If you don't smile or feel happy when you look at this, I don't know what's going on. We need an intervention. It's another Ruby Star fabric. It's called Bloom in Blue, and it was designed by Melody Miller. I paid $24 for 1 yard of this, but honestly, I didn't blink, considering that most fabrics are 60 or even 45 inches, and this one is 108. Not blinking at all. I picked this up with bags in mind. I'm thinking that I can easily interface this for the outside of bags, or I could use it for the inside of bags. It's just gorgeous. And then I also picked up some 100% cotton. This is the Moda Bella in Christmas red. I got 3 yards of this. It was $8 a yard. I just felt that if I ran out of fabric anywhere else, placemats, bags, I need to do something for these Santa hats, I figured I could easily kind of work this stuff into the equation. And quite honestly, I can always use some red fabric in my life, so I'm happy that I have this. And I do feel like this Moda Bella fabric, it's really nice stuff. I mean, it's not threadbare by any means. It's really beautiful. Again, you can catch the links to all of this stuff in the description box if it's still available. Check out this video right over here so that way you can see the actual projects that I'm planning on using all of these fabrics on. And until next time, I sincerely hope that you find joy and have a wonderful day.